When is the next bear market? A bear market is a fundamental circumstance on the stock market. People usually sell many shares because they are under the thought process that shares will substantially decrease in value. They will be able to make a surplus by purchasing them again after a short time interval. When we usually compare the two terms bull and bear market, which generally comes within the share market is described among these two terms bull and bear. The stock market is something which depends upon various of innumerable and economic factors. These kinds of factors govern the market changing into a bull or bear. When the market is taking an interval from bear to bull market, it means that there substantially will be an increase in the price of stocks. This signifies that poverty will be eradicated. There would be an increase in employment. It motivates the investors to invest more in the stock market. Many investors are also under the thought process that contemporary market misinterpretations confirm that the next bear market would take a long-lasting durations to begin. The investors could surely go into deep shock if they knew that there might be a slight past relations between estimations and the next time durations of bear markets. Indian stock market recently has declined to 39% from its latest record in January 2020. Amid this coronavirus-led sell-off, having an overlook and judging everything, Morgan Stanley said that India went through 4 bear markets in the latest 25 years. Also, ace investor Jim Roger anticipated that the world would enter into the next bear market by the end of 2022 or the beginning of 2023. As per estimation, the next bear market would also last for a longer durations. As per estimation, somewhere beneath the line, equity market will go through a rectification. So central banks put off trepidation would print more money. This usually happens and also did take place in the past when in 1999 there was a massive blow-off at the very end. As well, when long bull markets end or come to an end, they squander off. Something similar would happen this time as well as per the estimation. It can subside by the end of 2022 or 2023. This time, we might even look at bonds that might also go through a bear market, as bonds have never been so extravagant and expensive. This time, we might undergo a bond within the bear market and face a collapse. In due processes, the US dollar might also exceed. But also by the latest studies and explorations, an analysis of past 100 years shows that median period of a bull market is 3 years and that of a bear market is approximately 10 months or less than that. Which brings us to the conclusions that it would be very much interesting to undergo the changes that would come by the end of 2022.